Hi, I'm Jeff Goodman from Brown Harris Stevens. Today I'm in Lenox Hill, and it's my pleasure to welcome you to a rooming and charming two-bedroom home at the Saratoga, one of the neighborhood's fine condominiums. Come have a look with me. When you enter this property, you are immediately struck by the dark hardwood floors and the large bright windows that run the length of the living and dining area. They face east and are bathed in direct sunlight in the mornings and light throughout the day. The primary bedroom is large and has a windowed ensuite bath. There is a smaller second bedroom, which is also ideal for a home office, den, or guest room. The recently updated kitchen has stainless steel appliances, including a Bosch dishwasher. Both bathrooms are marble and have new vanities and fixtures. All the rooms have through-the-wall heating and air conditioning units. There's lots of closet space, 5 closets to be exact. And one of the best features of this home is that it has a Miele washer and dryer right in the apartment. And if that's not enough, and you need to do multiple loads at the same time, there is a laundry room right outside the front door. The building has laundry facilities on every single floor. The Saratoga is a full-service white-glove condominium. It's excellently staffed with a concierge, incredibly friendly door staff, and a live-in super. Its amenities include a beautiful roof deck with 360-degree views. But if you're in the mood for more shaded outdoor space, there's also an outdoor garden right off the lobby. There's a garage in the building with valet parking, and there are storage spaces available in the building as well. Pets are welcome at the Saratoga, and since it's a condo, pieds-à-terre, co-purchasing, gifting, and subletting are all permitted. Now let's talk about the neighborhood. Specialty markets Agata and Valentina, Citarella, and A Matter of Health are right down the street. One of my favorite fine food stores, Sable's, is close by. Their fish, especially their whitefish salad and baked salmon, are to die for. And even though it's not the original location, you also have the 2nd Avenue Deli. It's right across the street. How much better can you get than that? When you're in the mood for parks and open space, nearby are Carl Schurz Park, John Jay Park, as well as the East River Promenade. So you can not only take in, but walk along those wonderful New York River views. The 6 train is nearby, and the 72nd stop on the 2nd Avenue subway is 5 minutes away, making a trip to Broadway and the Theater District a very short subway ride, even from the east side. Thanks for joining me today on our visit to this lovely and charming 2-bedroom, 2-bath condominium home in Lenox Hill. I'm Jeff Goodman from Brown Harris Stevens, and I will see you at the Saratoga.